nominees are...
The nominees for Most Inspiring Female Motorsports Athlete: Geraldine Reed, Siti Shakira Shaharo, Nurul Husna Nasharuddin, and Gina Pinanza Daud.
Congratulations to all our nominees. The very first time being nominated for the very first award segment, yeah?
All right, well, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to now welcome to the stage here to present this award. Please welcome the chairman of SIC, Yang Berbahagia, Tan Sri Azman Yahya.
Dipersilakan. And as it is a female category, the honor, Nadia Heng, is all yours.
Well, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner for the most inspiring female motorsports athlete goes to Leona Chin. Woo! Let's hear it, ladies and gentlemen. Our first winner for this category, the most inspiring female motorsports athlete, Leona Chin.
Please don't let the gown fool you, ladies and gentlemen. I've had the pleasure of sitting in one car with this lady, and until now I think I cannot find parts of my heart. It's dropped in the car somewhere, I cannot find it. But ladies and gentlemen, this lady really does have what it takes to bring Malaysia when it comes to breaking the dominance. Dipersilakan untuk ucapan anda.
I'm very nervous. Okay, thank you SIC and MAM for providing this accreditation. I'm very happy that now finally females are recognized in motorsports. We here show that girls can drive fast too. And thank you to my sponsors and partners for always supporting me and trusting in me. I'm really happy. Thank you very much.
And we are incredibly happy for you too. Ladies and gentlemen, Leona Chin. Congratulations.
I'm happy for you too, Leona. But next time I ride in your car, you don't drive so fast, okay? Thank you.
Well,